The 30CNC 482ST is a state-of-the-art fully automatic CNC tube bending machine, engineered for precision, speed, and versatility in industrial pipe and tube fabrication. Designed to handle tubes up to 30 millimeters in diameter, this machine combines advanced CNC control with a 4-axis servo system, ensuring flawless bends with repeatable accuracy as tight as plus or minus 0.05 degrees. Whether you're working with stainless steel, aluminum, or copper, the 30CNC 482ST delivers consistent, high-quality results. Equipped with dual servo-driven motors, it automates complex bending sequences, from feeding and rotation to multi-angle bends, all in one seamless cycle. The 4A configuration supports enhanced functionality, such as automatic clamping and multi-radius tooling, reducing setup time and boosting productivity. Ideal for industries like automotive exhaust systems, HVAC, furniture, and aerospace. This machine excels in producing intricate 2D or 3D bent components with minimal operator intervention. For manufacturers seeking unmatched precision, durability, and automation, the 30CNC 482ST sets the new standard. Contact us today for a demo or technical specifications.